In this video, we will display the even numbers using the while loop. So here I am going to take a variable n. I'm going to assign its value int input a number. So I'm going to take another variable I that is equal to 1. So the iteration will start from 1 and it will terminate at n, the number we have given here. The number we will give here until that much iterations will occur. So here I'm going to use the while loop. While I less than n semicolon, I mean two dots, not semicolon. It is not semicolon. We are using this thing. So in order to represent the while loop, terminate while loop after the conditions. So here we are going to give the if statements. The condition for if statement is I modulus of 2 equal to 0. So here I modulus of 2 equal to 0. That means modulus is I modulus of 2 means if the value of I is 2 and modulus of 2 means after 2 divided by 2, if the remainder is 0, then the condition is true. Modulus is used to get the remainder after division. So we will print I. So if the condition is true, then it will print the value of I. Then else, if that condition is false, that is if the remainder is not 0, then it will go to pass. Here we are also learning about the pass statements. So what is pass statement? It will do nothing. Here we have nothing to give us the body of else part. So we are just using pass statement so that it will do nothing. So outside the if condition, inside the while loop, I'm going to give I equal to I plus 1. So after the first iteration, after the value is 1, it will increment by 1, which means 2. It will continue until it reaches n. So outside the while loop, I'm going to print done. So once it reaches n, the nth value, the n value, it will terminate it and it will come outside the while loop and it will print done. So now let's check. You can either use shift plus enter or the run button to check the output. So a number that we have to enter. Here I'm going to enter 5 and I'm going to click enter. So after it will start the iteration from 1. So in this case, while I less than n, that is 1 less than 5, if I modulus of 2 equal to 0, well, 1 divided by 2 is equal to 0. That is 1 divided by 2, then the remainder is not equal to 0. So it will not print I. Instead it will goes to the else part, and here it is pass, so it will do nothing. And here I equal to I plus 1, it will follow that condition, that is 1 plus 1 is 2, and it will check again while I less than n, that is 2 less than 5, the condition is true, so it will goes to the if part, and it will check the condition here, 2 divided by 2, the remainder is 0, so that condition is true, it will print I, that is 2. Then else it will again go outside the if condition, if statement, and it will increment by 1. Here increment occurs by 1, that is 2 plus 1 is 3, and it will check the condition here, 3 less than 5, that is true, so it will goes to the if statement and checks the condition, 3 divided by 2 equal to, the remainder is not 0, so it will go to the else part and pass, it will do nothing, and again it will increment by 1. Here I equal to I plus 1, so 3 plus 1 is 4, it will go check this condition, I less than n, that is 4 less than 5, that is true, it will goes to the if statement, and it will check the condition, 4 divided by 2 equal to, the remainder is 0, so that is true, and you will print this 4. Again it will increment by 1, that is 5, so here the condition, it will check the while loop condition, that is 5 less than 5, that is false, so it will come outside the while loop and print done.